Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one of the top website we can earn from this website. The website name is MoreMoney, and first I'm going to show you how to log in this website. The website short links, the website offer for Faucet claim and the people users to use this website, and this is the winning prize, and this is the withdrawal proof. Today withdrawal proof is this one, and this all is from yesterday. Okay, this website is 100% free and you can earn much more money you want. You can refer your friends. This is the all information you can get from this website. Okay, this website told you how to withdraw your Bitcoin. Okay, this much pay this website from the beginning of starting this website, and you can click sign up, and you can fill this all capture, and you can tell them male or female or any country you are from. You just choose your country and fill the capture, click register. They register your account. Okay, now I'm going to log in this account to show you how it's work. Okay, this one is the website. You can see the all advertisement, and the all claim. I have this much PTC claim visit website. I can visit and earn much more coins, and this is my balance for now. Okay, you can earn multiple ways in here. Just you can come here in Faucet and come scrolling down. This one told you every 1 hour you can come here and click Faucet, and you can faucet your amount, how much number you got. They pay you that much BTC in the site. Okay, okay, now you can claim PTC clicks too. The one of this website I share with you. This website pay you much more than other website, and let's see what is the PTC click now. Okay, now you see the PTC click open, and this is the all PTC click. Every 24 hours you can come here and claim this all PTC. This one told you wait 10 seconds, and this one pay you that much BTC. Okay, just click visit, wait some second for loading. Okay, now you can see this one told me please wait. This is the timer, 10-second timer. Just wait to fill this timer, and they pay you that much Satoshi. They told you fill this capture. The capture is very easy. This one told you which one is different. This one is different. Click the different pics, and this one told you great, and close the page. And this website pays you. Just refresh your web, and this one show you this website pay you that much Satoshi you want. Okay, and now you can visit another website. This is the easy way you can earn much more money. Okay, this is the visiting. Okay, now fill the capture. Okay, this one is the capture. Great, click close and refresh the page. and your BTC going up now. Yes. Okay, this is the second part, and you can make a job. This job belongs to this website. If you fill this job, this website pay you this much BTC. Okay, post a Facebook page on your Facebook, personal Facebook, tell about this website something, and they pay you this much Satoshi. Okay, promote money on fraud. You can promote this money and tell the other people, and they pay you this much. And you can post in your blog. Okay, if you have blog, and if you want to make a video and publish in YouTube, this website pay you this much. Okay, this is the all things you can earn much more. And if you want to earn more than this, you can refer your friends. This one is the easy way you can earn. Refer your friends. This your referral link. The 50% of Faucet claim for free for lifetime. They pay you. And if you want to withdraw your funds, this is the key of withdrawing. This one told me 10 Faucet claim. After that, what is the Faucet claim? If I claim this Faucet 10 times, and then this website pay me. Okay, I claim 2 times. Today is my first my one claim, and yesterday I claim another time. About that, this is 2-time claim. Okay, you can invest in game. You can achievement. What is the investment game? Like this, you can tell the web this one good up or down. About that, you can invest. You can click call, and this one pays you. Okay, if your call is right. If you click call, this one you can tell the website this one is go up or put is go down. Okay, like this, you can make much more money, or you can make money with achievement on random caption code. You can claim the random code. This one is the random crypto code, and offer walls too. This the all things. And you can be membership. If you have money, you can buy the membership. This is the all rules of membership, and you can make your money faster and easier. Okay, and this all website pays you this time. Okay, this is the all website. You can make much more money from this website if you work honestly. Daily you can make thousands of satoshis from Faucet claim, and you can make much more money from this website. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This website link in description. Click the link and come here and register and making some money. Okay, bye bye for now. This is all for this day.